Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Bahrain punch mocktail. First of all, take 2 shaker glass and add some crushed ice. Then you have to add 60 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to add 10 ml of coconut syrups and 10 ml of fresh cream. And you have to add 10 ml of grenadine syrup in another glass. And add 60 ml of cranberry juice. And you have to add 10 ml of fresh cream. Then you have to add vanilla ice cream in the 2 glass, 1 scoop. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. You have to shake well for this mocktail, and you have to pour into a cooling glass. Then you have to shake another shaker glass, and just you have to shake all the ingredients properly and pour all the mixture into the top of the mocktail. Then you can see the 2-layer mocktail will be prepared. See, mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video.